Looking for a healthy, savory snack to fill you up but keep you thin? Today, I will be telling you how to make cream cheese jalapeno poppers and the health benefits that they obtain. Specifically, I will be telling you how to prepare for this snack, how to create this snack, and why it is healthy for you. Now that I have told you what will be done in my demonstration video, let's move on to how to prepare for this yummy snack. There are a few important steps that you will need to follow in order to prepare for this snack. To begin, you will need a few key ingredients: jalapenos, cream cheese, any shredded cheese of your liking, paprika, and onion powder. You will also need a baking sheet covered with aluminum foil to place your jalapeno poppers in. According to allrecipes.com in 2013, it is best that you preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit while preparing for your snack. Now that I have told you how to prepare for your snack, let's move on to the fun part, making it. You will first take your jalapenos and slice them in half. Once you have sliced them in half, you can scoop out the insides. Next, you will get cream cheese, paprika, onion powder, and shredded cheese and mix it into the bowl. You can get very creative with this cream cheese mixture and add really whatever you'd like. Finally, you will stuff your jalapenos with your cream cheese mixture. Place the jalapeno poppers onto your baking sheet and place the baking sheet into the preheated oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Now that I have told you how to create this snack, let me tell you why it is healthy for you. There are various health benefits to this snack. According to an article on ncbi.nlm.nih.gov in 2017, eating home-cooked meals more frequently was associated with better dietary quality and lower adiposity. Also, according to a separate article on ncbi.nlm.nih.gov in 2016, they recommend having 3 servings of dairy a day because dairy may represent a valuable dietary source of calcium and nutrient contents. Eating this homemade treat is a great substitution for an unhealthy snack due to its nutritional value of dairy and fruit. Yes, jalapenos are indeed fruits. That's it, folks. Now you can enjoy a yummy snack without feeling guilty about eating it. To conclude, I have told you how to create this yummy snack, the ingredients you will need to make it, and the health benefits as to why you should eat it. Now go get your health kick on while rewarding your taste buds.